What's up, everybody? Just want to give you a quick update on some things going on here in the store. It's been a little bit since I've done that. First, I wanted to say the Fuji spray giveaway is going on up until 2/21/22. So got about 20 days or so, and that entry is going to close. Right now, as of today, we have about 659 entries. I think you're going to really like the next giveaway. So the next giveaway is going to be a micro jig package. That package is going to be worth almost $1,200, and it's a full package of their product. I think everybody's really going to like that one. Some new products that are coming in. First off, I wanted to say we got Daniel Dunlap Woodworks zero clearance inserts coming, and his bow tie kits and templates and stuff. So look out for that. That's going to be awesome. We have made a deal. We're getting Craig, full line of Craig. That'll be here. Order was placed on Friday, and that'll be here before the end of the month. I would say in the next 2 weeks. Tenru saw blades. I don't know if you guys have ever used these blades, but they're very good blades, and they will be here in probably about the same time frame, a week or two. We should have those. This one is kind of cool too. We're going to have a full line, I think 141 different SKUs of white side router bits. Those will be here probably closer to the end of the month. The last thing or second from last thing I wanted to say is Dutton Tools, the sander lights. All models are in stock right now. So if the model is made, we have it in stock. So you can check it out on the website, and the link to that is in the bio. Another one that's pretty cool that we got coming on is Grit Grip sandpaper. So this is a double-sided sandpaper. It's flexible. You can use it for sanding, and it's available in many different grits. So that'll be here probably next week or so. It's already been ordered. Just touching on that micro jig giveaway, that'll go live on 2/24/25. That's a Monday. So that'll go live probably around 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning as soon as I can get the website updated. And then you can start entering for that. That'll run until 4/18/25. And the winner will be pulled as normal on the following Saturday, which is 4/19 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'll do an Instagram live for that. Speaking of Instagram, I really want to say thank you for all your support. I mean, we're up to almost 4,300 subscribers as of today, and I think on YouTube right now, we're up to about close to 1,300 subscribers. So your support's been amazing, and I appreciate it. We will be doing another YouTube video this week. It'll be out. And it'll be on the full line of Bumbleshoots. So the product talk will be about Bumbleshoots, and it'll be everything that we carry in stock, and we'll go over all of the different products, how to use them, how to put them on, and everything you need to know about that product. All right, guys, I'll catch you in a couple days. Just wanted to say thank you again.